By way of improving business confidence, may nakikita ba kayo low-hanging fruit o kung ano yung pinaka-urgent na pwedeng gawin?
Well, at least within the next few months, dapat tapusin ng Senate Impeachment Court ang ating impeachment, no? At tigilan na yung tigilan na yung pagkukumpara ng mga ebidensya, no? That should have been done during the pre-trial. That's one. Importante impeachment eh. Because dito sa impeachment, it is not only one public official that is on trial. It is democracy which is on trial. It is rule of law. It is justice, which are all factors being considered by foreign and domestic investors, whether they will invest or they will expand their investment. Okay. Number two is the government can also reduce the supply sources of inflation. No? Yung supply sources of inflation, halimbawa, yung ano ng langis, no? Pwede tayo magkaroon ng iba't ibang mga low-hanging fruit measures tungkol sa langis, no? Yung policy uncertainty, siguro naman sa pag-announce halimbawa ng Kongreso, yung kanilang key priority bills, pag-announce ng palasyo, itong ating dapat gawin sa loob ng 2 taon, I'm going to leave a legacy dito sa ating bansa. Yung mga ganun sanang mga statement, kahit pa paano makakapagbigay ng mas panibagong tiwala sa ating pamahalaan at yan ay makapagbibigay ng counting additional push sa economic growth. And finally, we should continue those structural reforms. Hindi dapat mapabayaan yung mga importanteng structural reforms, no? Samantalang tayo ay nanonood ng impeachment sa Senado. Ang constitution natin ay hindi the constitution did not intend that governance should stop, economic and political governance should stop because the impeachment is in progress. Dapat tuloy-tuloy ang takbo, local government, executive branch, the judiciary, and of course our Congress.